Guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to enable audio on Zoom. So if you find that you're always joining Zoom meetings and you can't hear anything, it's because your audio is not enabled. So when you click on your Zoom, you can see that bottom left, right now on the participant screen, your mic is not showing. It's only the video that is showing on the right, that red icon. Okay, that's because your audio is not enabled. So you can see the bottom left that shows join audio. Sometimes your screen may zoom out. You might need to tap on it, tap on it to reveal the options. Can you see that? So tap on the screen, then look at join audio. That audio earphone icon at the bottom left, that's what you need to click on. Once you click on that, it will give you options. Now, Wi-Fi or cellular data, that's what you need to click. This is iPhone, but if you are using Android, it may say device audio, or it may say call via internet audio, something like that. Okay, so you need to click on that, and once you click on it, it's going to enable. You can see that you are using device audio. Now that icon has changed the bottom left into a microphone, and you can see that it's not muted. So you have to mute it manually. You can speak and you can mute it. If you go back to the participants, now you can see that as I'm talking, the mic is reflecting. So you can unmute it and it can reflect in the participants. So you need to see that mic icon in the participant so that you know that your audio is enabled. Okay. So what I want to show you now is how you can actually set it such that you don't have this issue of enabling mic and all that. You need to go back to the settings. Okay, so from the home screen, you can click on more, depending on your phone. Click on more at the bottom right, those three dots there, and then it's going to take you to the settings window. Now look at under settings, you can see meetings, right? Click on meetings, and then now you can see at the top under audio, it says auto connect. That's what you want to do. So set this to auto connect such that anytime you join a meeting, it won't bother you again. You will be connected. So click on Wi-Fi or cellular data. Just the same thing you did on the Zoom. It could be the device audio or internet audio, whatever it is. Just select that option, Wi-Fi or cellular data or device audio, whatever you see there, depending on your phone. This is iPhone, so Android may be different. So once you set that, now you can also mute your microphone. You can see under that, so that when you join the meeting, you are automatically muted and you don't have to disturb with some background. Some people even join, they don't know that they are unmuted. So auto connect your audio, mute your microphone, so that you can immediately connect to the audio in the meeting. So I hope this helps you. See you on the next one. Cheers.